Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is officially the day we are decorating for Christmas. So I'm starting with this. This is a pre-lit 6.5 foot tree that is from Walmart. It was only 70 bucks. Like, that's an insane deal. It's beautiful. I got it last year and it's still in great shape. It's flocked and I just love it. Last year I got a ton of questions, mostly on like Facebook and Instagram, and like people messaging me and just like, how do you decorate your tree? Oh my god, like I love it. I am a master tree decorator, I have to say. No, but seriously, I love decorating trees. It's like a huge passion of mine. I love Christmas. So I figured I would take you guys along with me as I decorate and just kind of show you how I do everything, where I get everything from, and all of that. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have all of my ornaments set up in the other room. First thing that I start with is my pearl garland, or at least it looks like pearls. This was from Target last year. I don't think that they're carrying it this year, which is such a bummer, but it's so beautiful and I got plenty for my tree last year. But they do have this in other colors at Target right now. And this year I'm going to try something different that I saw on somebody else's like tree decorating video. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did an entire video on how to make this faux fur or faux snow, whatever you want to call it, garland on the tree. It looks amazing and it only costs 20 bucks. So go and watch that video if you want to find out how I created this. But next I'm going to do my pearl garland that I got from Target last year, like I said. So I found this cute little hanging decoration, and I think I want to put this right in the center of the tree. It's really glittery and really pretty. I can't believe this was $1. I got one for my mom's tree and for my boyfriend's house. It's $1, like, are you kidding? So I think I want to put this right in the middle, in the center of the tree. I've never done something this big before, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I like it. I think it'll look really cute. Okay, I think that looks like amazing, and can you believe it was $1? Like, what? It just kind of blends right in, but I think it'll look really pretty once like all the ornaments are in there. Okay, so the next thing that I usually like to do is put on like the bigger items. So I have like bigger snowflakes and bows, and I have these awesome faux fur balls that Target sold last year. And I also think they're not selling these again this year. They have them, but they're like a gray and white kind of like snow leopard print, and I didn't really like those, but these were like my favorite that they've ever sold, and I'm like obsessed with these. I'm obsessed with everything Christmas, so you'll hear me say that a lot. But these snowflakes come in a pack of like 2 or 3 from Target. The silver ones I couldn't find this year, but they do have a gold and also kind of like a pinky color. And the pinky color I used on my tree in my beauty area, so I don't have those in here. I'm using the gold. And then I got these big pink bows and one that's like a goldish kind of glitter. And these are from Michaels, and they are originally $10. I got them for 70% off with some coupons that I had, so they were like $3 a piece, which is awesome. And then these ones are from the dollar spot at Target. They actually have a hanging thing so you can hang them on the tree, but I just placed them in there, and the hanging thing was like rope. I didn't really like it, so I just cut them off. These ones are from Target this year. They're also kind of like that fluffy like faux fur kind of like snow-like feeling. I love these. And then these are from Target last year. I also think they're not selling these. These are so beautiful. They need to bring them back. They're actually the most incredible snowflake ornament ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting those on. thing that I do is put my biggest ornaments on. I have all of these rose gold and silver ones that were from Target last year. I think they were like $3 each. I have one silver one and then a bunch of whites and silver. And then I have these kind of pink, white, and gold sequin ones, which are beautiful. And I believe these were from Target last year as well. And then I got these two this year at Kohl's, and they are from the Lauren Conrad Christmas collection. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but they're just a clear like teardrop shape, and then they have these like white and pink sequins in the bottom. And I just thought they were really cool, and I had some Kohl's cash, so I basically got them for free. So yeah, I love these. So next I'm going to do all of my like medium-sized ornament balls. So I have these ones here that I got from Target this year. They were $1 each, and they're really pretty. Some fuzz on that one. These polka dot ones as well, got a couple of those from Target. And then all of these pink ones are from Target. They were $1 each. These ones, I believe, all came in a set last year. These are like my fancy glass ones that I bought in a nice set from Target last year. And they're kind of like vintage style, which is what I really like. And then these ones, they came in a 4-pack from Target. These are also fancy glass ones. It comes with 2 white and 2 of the like galvanized, kind of like mirror looking ones. And they have the pretty snowflakes on the front. I did break one of my galvanized ones today, and I'm so sad, but I still have 3, so that's okay. And then these 2 pearl ones I got individually in like the bins at Michael's this year. And I just love them because they're pearls and they're kind of like vintagey and girly, and I just love that look. So there's glitter and just, it's a mess everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these small clear balls on, and they're probably from Target like last year or the year before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a couple of these. So I really like the clear balls on the tree because I think it really helps the light reflect and kind of make the tree really shiny. So that's why I always like to put a few clear ones on. You can't exactly see them on the tree, but they just make the tree really dreamy looking, and I just love that. So I'm down to my last few ornaments. I'm kind of sad, it's kind of bittersweet, but I'm so excited to have the tree up. But it's also like, oh, it's finally done, and like, I don't know. Does anybody else feel like that? But these are kind of like my more fun ornaments, and then I have some more filler ornaments if I have any spots where I want to like fill in. So I have more of these pine cones from Target. They come in like a pack for like $3, and these ones are silver. And then I have some of these deer. I got a couple of them last year. I got a couple this year. This little nutcracker ornament, I believe was in the dollar spot at Target, and it was really cheap this year. I think it was like $1 or maybe $3. And then I have my little nativity from Target, and I love that ornament so much. I have some of these sparkly snowflakes, which I think came in a pack at Big Lots, and I just think these are so pretty for Big Lots. Like, thank you. And then these bows are probably from like Target or Walmart. They pretty much sell these little guys everywhere. This cute little deer is what I believe it is. It kind of reminds me of Bambi, but this is from TJ Maxx. I picked it up and I loved it. I don't know, I thought it was so cute, and it really fit the aesthetic and like the theme of my tree. And then I got this gold sparkly Eiffel Tower. How beautiful is this? This is from the Lauren Conrad Christmas Decor Collection at Kohl's. And then these two, the pink sparkly wings, which really reminded me of Victoria's Secret. And this cute little kind of like wreath looking thing, also pink and sparkly. These are from Michael's, and they're in those little like bins with all the ornaments. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest of the tree in and get it looking even more beautiful. Okay, so the final touch is the bow on the top. I don't put like a tree topper, I like to just put like a nice sparkly bow. I don't remember where this one is from. I think maybe Big Lots, so yeah. But it just has a little twist tie on it, so I just stick it right on the top of the tree. So here is my completely finished tree. This took me hours. The tree skirt I put on is from Big Lots. I got it last year, and I believe they do still sell this one. And it's pretty inexpensive, so don't buy a tree skirt at Target because they're way too much money. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with it, so excited for Christmas, and I'm just beyond happy, honestly. This is my favorite tree I've ever done, and it's just amazing.